communities, it's the first recommendation for coding help. It's also excellent at long document analysis, contracts, research papers, entire code bases, returning clear, structured summaries instead of scattered answers. Claude's tone sets it apart too. It's described as the least sycophantic major model. If your idea is flawed, it'll tell you why. I personally prefer that. If I wanted someone to tell me all my ideas are great, I'd talk to my mom. The limitation? Weaker multimodal features, no native image generation. Text and code specialist, not a generalist. Grok, XAI. Grok 4 is XAI's flagship. Multimodal, 256K context window, generates images and video through Grok Image. There's also Grok 4 Heavy, using multiple agents for complex reasoning, though at $300 a month, it's not for casual use. Grok's biggest edge is real-time X integration. It pulls trending discussions, summarizes breaking news, and analyzes public sentiment faster than models relying on web crawling. In head-to-head comparisons, Grok ranks very high, mostly for its conversational tone. It feels natural, relaxed, more like chatting with a person. Sometimes so friendly you forget it's AI, until it replies instantly at 3 a.m. Great for casual use, though for serious analysis, some prefer models that push back more. There's also the free speech positioning. Grok answers questions other models might refuse. I think the honest take is, it depends on the question. For topics where other models get overly cautious, Grok is refreshing. For sensitive topics where caution exists for good reason, it's a trade-off. DeepSeek. DeepSeek R1 is fully open source. Download and run it yourself. No subscriptions, no usage limits. Your GPU might suffer, but your wallet won't. It's a massive model, hundreds of billions of parameters, but uses a mixture of expert design, so only a fraction activates per question. That keeps it fast, despite its size. Smaller distilled versions run on consumer hardware too. It focuses on math, coding, and step-by-step reasoning, going head-to-head with GPT and Claude on technical benchmarks. Running it costs roughly 2.7% of GPT-4o pricing. DeepSeek R2 is rumored with around 1.2 trillion parameters, but got delayed. Reportedly because the CEO wasn't satisfied with performance and due to limited chip access. No confirmed release date. The catch? It's a Chinese company, so data privacy concerns exist. But you can run it locally. Data stays with you. The bigger story is what DeepSeek represents. Frontier AI doesn't need billion-dollar budgets anymore. Quick question. Which of these models are you actually using right now? Drop it in the comments. And if this video is making all these AI names make sense, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Open source and local models, LLaMA, Qwen, and more. Open source models mean full control. Download, run on your hardware, keep data private. No subscriptions, no API fees, your AI, your rules, and your electricity bill. LLaMA from Meta kicked off this wave. A huge number of chatbots online are secretly LLaMA underneath. LLaMA 4 now comes in variants like Scout and Maverick, up to 400 billion parameters with a 10 million token context window, and even bigger versions are expected first half of 2026. Qwen 3.5 from Alibaba is climbing fast. People running it locally on dual 3090s report performance close to Claude Sonnet, which is wild, especially strong at multilingual tasks. GLM5 from Jipu AI is one of the top-ranked open-source models. 203K context window, commercial-friendly license. Kimi K2.5 from Moonshot excels at math and reasoning, 96% on AIME 2025. Available locally and through Perplexity. Mistral, built in France, punches above its size, especially strong with European languages. Many of these run on a gaming PC or MacBook with enough RAM. Tools like LLaMA and LM Studio make setup easy, so that expensive GPU you bought for gaming, it has a second job now. And once you get a local model running, it changes how you think about AI. It's not a website you visit, it's a tool you own. No fees, no data leaving your desk, works offline. That shift from renting to owning is bigger than it sounds. Perplexity, the aggregator. Perplexity is both a model maker and a model aggregator. At its core is Sonar, built for fast answers with clear source citations. Unlike typical chatbots that rely only on training data, Sonar actively searches the live web and shows where the information came from. Instead of guessing, it actually brings receipts. On top of that, Perplexity lets you access GPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, and Kimi, all in one